Back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Ipsy Plus Glam bag for the month of November. It feels pretty full in here, so I'm excited to see what I got. So if you're excited to see what I got as well, then keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you're feeling in the holiday spirit. Alright, let's get right into it. Okay, so I almost forgot they're doing this whole drawstring a bag moment. This is actually cuter than the other Ipsy bag, but I'm not a big fan of drawstring bags as it is. But you know, I'll take it. I actually got this in a Boxy Luxe last year. This is the Tracique Curl, Lengthen, and Enhance Mascara. So it's a mascara, but then it also has this mini eyelash curler that goes with it. And then, yeah, here's the mascara. So I'm actually going to put this in a giveaway since I already have it, but if I remember correctly, it retailed for like $28. All right, next is, see, I don't like that they started putting it in the big padded envelopes instead of the box, because everything's coming all beaten to hell. This is the Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. Ooh. Nourishing retinol night cream visibly improves firmness and radiance, minimizes lines and deep wrinkles, evens tone, and hydrates. Rapidly renews while being gentle enough for nightly use with retinol triactive technology, a fast-acting retinoid, a time-released retinol, and a retinol booster. Alright, I have been needing a new night cream, and I love that this has retinol in it. So yeah, Murad is an awesome skincare brand, and I know it's not cheap. So next, oh wait, I did have a thing, but it doesn't have the products on it. Alright, this is Complex Culture Full-Time Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, I've only ever received the Complex Culture brushes, which I love. So I don't know how this is going to be. We'll have to see. So it has a little insert in it, and it says step 1, step 2, and step 3. So I guess these are 3 different looks. It has this is step 1, this is step 2, and then this is step 3. Okay, that's actually a really pretty palette. All right, next we have, see, all of the freaking boxes. This Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. Oh, I love me a lip oil. And, oh, that's kind of cool. What is that? It has a little rubber thing around it. I don't know what the purpose of it is, but okay. It has like a kind of sweets, like bakery, like a cake or frosting type of scent. All right, this is the Julep Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick, and this is in Bronze Shimmer. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I love me a shadow stick. Yeah, I really like that color. Ooh, such a pretty bronze. Alright guys, so that was my Ipsy Plus. I'm really happy that I got this Murad cream. I love me a good lip oil. Love me a good eyeshadow stick. This is good, and these two will probably go in a giveaway, but overall, I think it was a decent box. Is it the best Ipsy Plus I've ever gotten? No, but I would say it's in the middle. Definitely not a flop, but yeah. Overall, I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video.